Apply Milne's method to compute y of 0.8 given that second order second degree d square second order is given d square y by dx square is equal to 1 minus 2y divided by dx and following the table of initial values. Now these are x values, okay, and y values. These are y dash values. Y dash means dy by dx or z values. Apply the corrector formula twice in presenting the values of y at x is equal to 0.8. okay, now using Milne's method is again two formula. One is a predictor and second one is a corrector formula. Corrector formula is applied twice. Now putting solution, putting y dash means first order dy by dx, that means a z. This one you differentiate with respect to x, okay, we obtain, differentiate this one. This is a y double dash, this is second order d square y by dx square, and this is a dz by dx means z dash. Now this equation is becomes, this one is a d square y by dx square means y double dash or z dash is the given equation becomes z dash is equal to 1 minus 2y dy by dx. dy by dx means y dash, 2y y dash, or 1 minus 2y y dash means z. Z dash is equal to 1 minus 2y z. Okay, next we required z dash values. Okay, y dash means z, this is y dash means z. Now required z dash values. That value substitute in predictor and corrector formula. Now this is z dash is equal to 1 minus 2 yz. Taking these values, okay, x0, y0, z0, x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, x3, y3, z3, like this. Now first one is z0 dash is equal to 1 minus 2 into yz, 0 into 0, and this is equal to 1 only. Okay, next is z1 dash. z1 dash is 1 minus 2 into z1 y dash z dash, sorry, y1 a z1 value 0.2, 0.02 into 0.1996, and this is equal to 0.992. Next is z2 dash, this value using 1 minus 2 into yz, z2 is a y2 and this is z2, this is 0.0795 into 0.3937, and this is equal to value is a 0.9374. next is a z3 dash value, 1 minus 2 into yz, y3 z3 using 0.1762 into 0.5689, and this is equal to value is a 0.7995. The following table is, so these are x, y and z values. Okay, x0, x values, y values, z values. So x0, x1, x2, x3, y0, y1, y2, y3, z1, z2, z0, z1, z2, z3. Next is z0 dash, z1 dash, z2 dash, z3 dash. Okay, now this is z0 dash is a first one, and z1 dash is a 0.992, z2 dash is a 0.9374, and z3 dash is a 0.7995. Once again construct a table, write the values including z dash values. Okay, so next go to the predictor formula. First to find Milne's predictor formula. Now h values are equal distance. H is equal to 0.2, equidistance x values. Okay, now so you know the y0 values, z1 values, Z1 values, Z2 and Z3. Substitute this predictor Y4 values. Now we get this value is using calculator 0.3049. Okay, so this is a second order equation. So one more is a Z4 predictor formula. Okay, substitute the values. Z0 value is 1 plus 4H4 into 0.2 divided by 3 into 2 into Z1 dash is a 1 minus Z2 dash, sorry, Z1 dash is a 0.992 minus Z2 dash is a 0.9374 plus 2 Z3 dash 2 into 0.7995, and this is equal to this Z4 predictor formula value is 0.7055. This is predictor formula. In corrector formula you require Z4 dash. Okay, this is Z4, Z3 is there, we also require Z4 dash, used in a Z4 dash in a corrector formula. Now Y4 corrector formula is Y2 plus H by 3 into Z2 plus 4Z3 plus Z4. Okay, now substitute the values. Take Y2 is a, now Y2 is a 0.0795 plus H by 3 0.2 divided by 3 into Z2 value. Z2 is a 0.3937 plus 4 into Z3 value. Z3 value is a 0.5689 plus Z4 value. Okay, plus Z4 value means this value using predictor formula values. Z4 predictor formula 0.7055, and first corrector formula YC is a Y4 is a corrector formula. This answer is 0.3045. Okay, now next we require Z4 dash. Z4 is over, next is a Z4 dash. Z4 dash is a, you know the Z1 Z dash equation. Z dash equation is a 1 minus 2 into YZ means Y4 Z4 value. Take variable Z4 dash means 1 minus 2 Y4 Z4, and this is equal to, so using this is predictor formula, mention as predictor formula values, and this is equal to 1 minus 2 into Y4 predictor formula is 0.3049. Okay, into, and Z4 predictor value is 0.7055, and this is Z4 dash is equal to, value is 0.5698. Okay, next go to the corrector formula. Now Z4 corrector formula is a, okay, Y4 is there, or now Z4 corrector formula is a Z2 plus H by 3 into Z2 dash plus 4 Z3 dash plus Z4 dash. Okay, and this is equal to, substitute Z2 value. Z2 value is a 0.3937 plus H value is a 0.2 divided by 3 into Z2 dash 0.9374 plus 4 into Z3 dash 0.7995 plus Z4 dash, this value, using this value Z4 dash is a 0.5698. Okay, and this is equal to Z4C, sorry, Z4 corrector formula is, value is a 0.7074. Okay, but corrector formula applying once again. Okay, twice applying the corrector formula. Corrector formula again again for y4, only y4, because the question is find the value of y at x is a 0.8. okay, y4 we have again character formula, y4 formula, y4 character formula is equal to y2 plus h by 3 into z2 plus 4z3 plus z4. That means y of 0.8 is equal to, use y2 values as 0.0795 plus h values divided by 3 into z2 values is 0.3937 plus 4 into z3 values is 0.5689, okay, into this value is 0.7074. so Z4 value means character formula, Z4 value substitute, not predictor formula value, character formula, and therefore y of 0.8 is equal to 0.3046. okay, now see the values. y4 character formula is a 0.3046 and 0.3045 character formula. The last two values are same. okay, now this is required solution.